Let me also rope in Himanshi into this conversation. Himanshi, appreciate you being here. Uh, what do you make of the developments so far from the Indian side, as well as what we have gotten to see from the Pakistani side? It seems that calling a press conference at 2 a.m. Is only indicative of one fact, that Pakistan is really not sure what to do at this point in time.
एब्सोल्युटली, जैसे हिंदी में कहते हैं, इनको मति भ्रम हो गया है, मति भ्रम हो गया है, इनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा अभी क्या करना है. Because the kind of actions they are taking, they are putting flags on their post and they are taking off, then again putting it. Moreover, when it comes to India, the advisors who have been roped in now you must see, everyone has more than 40 years of experience. It means collectively they have more than 300 years of experience which is coming on board. Now it is the time when the forces go on the border, there are chances where the sleeper cells might get activated. That is the reason people from police, they know, they have been there, done that, they know how to handle this kind of situation. The air marshals and the naval officers who have been roped in, the retired ones, now they have handled numerous situations like this in their life, in their service. They exactly know where the loopholes can exist and how to secure them. So now, before going for an offensive, if India goes, they are securing each and every corner where they feel a problem can arise. And that is, I think, the best way to strategize and make your forward move. Any person, any king, any prime minister, any president would like to get into an offensive where they win. And this is the short way of getting into the war or getting into an offensive or making their policies in a way that diplomatically we are secure, internally we are secure, and we have everything ready for the kind of actions we are going to take. After 3 p.m., we know, Mr. Sanjay Sharma has already said, after 3 p.m., we are going to know what actions we are taking after these 4 back-to-back meetings which have taken place in Delhi.